Kung kakausapin mo lang isa, dalawa, actually ang tinanggal lang na may isa. Yung dalawang tinanggal, hindi naman tinanggal, ni-reassign lang eh. Lang. Oo, parang nagtitrip to Jerusalem lang sila, paiba-iba yung upuan.
Ano ba yan?
Parang yung hapunan, naghahapunan kayo, pamilya, sama-sama, nagpalit-palit lang ng silya, si kuya, pumunta roon sa kaliwa, si ate, pumunta roon, si mami, pumunta rito. Ganun lang eh.
Maging kamote.
Maging kamote. Kakausapin mo lang yan, pare, thank you for your service, but mukhang hindi dyan nababagay ang iyong mga skills. So, baka pwede magdahilan na lang tayo na health reasons o personal pressures of personal nature. Marami naman dahilan eh. Then sasabihin mo na lang, i-announce mo na lang, I regret to inform you that Mr. Secretary so-and-so has resigned.
Yes.
And because of personal reasons, he's feeling pressure, he can no longer continue, and it was with a heavy heart that I accept his resignation. Isa lang palang target mo.